welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So currently I'm set up somewhere different, somewhere where you cannot see my room because it is terrifying, disgusting, a mess. So for today's video, I thought I would do a cleaning my room video, a little clean with me. I clean my room, you clean your room, we clean together. The lighting is changing, that's not okay with me. I'm doing this video because I personally love these kinds of videos on YouTube. It's very satisfying to see a messy room turn clean, and also because I need to stay motivated and finish cleaning my room, so that's why I'm filming this. Before I get on into cleaning my room, I just wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare, which is an online learning community which has thousands of classes in the areas of business, technology, design, lifestyle, and more. I thought this was really cool and would be really beneficial to you guys because it's summer, it's the perfect time to take up a new hobby or learn a new skill, and Skillshare is the perfect way to do that. If you're watching this video right now, you probably need to clean your room just like me, and lucky for you, I found some organization and decluttering classes on Skillshare. You guys should definitely check it out. There's a class for everyone. You click the link in the description, you get 2 months for free on Skillshare, which is a really good deal. So without further ado, let's clean my room. Okay, so it's all a big issue, but we have the bed full of clothes, full of hangers, like a book, like just a bunch of random things. The floor, there's clothes everywhere. I hate all those wires. I usually tuck them under my bed, as you can see. My floor is like disgusting. It's wood floor, so I have to vacuum that. My nightstand is just really cluttered with like empty gold, you know, you can see. My desk, this is the part that really needs help. That is disgusting. There's like makeup all over that paper towel. We have just a bunch of junk. Oh, an old Starbucks. Okay, yeah, see, it's bad. It's not terrible. My drawers are not too disorganized. They're like folded Marie Kondo styles. I do it that way because it's really easy to like see what you have. That like little rack thing and that light I'm getting rid of. And then I need to put my filming stuff away. So you can see what we have here. So let's get started. First step, put music on, or if you're like me, put Hannah Montana on. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Okay, so what I've learned from every cleaning your room video on YouTube is that you always start with the bed because it makes your room look cleaner. So I'm gonna go make my bed. So now that my bed is clean, that means that all my clothes that were on my bed are on my floor now. So we need to do something with all of those. So I'm going to separate them by clean and dirty. I'm going to fold and hang up the ones that are clean and then put all the dirty ones in the dirty laundry. Thumbnail time. So I just finished folding and hanging up all of my clean clothes. So now I have that pile of dirty clothes still. So I'm going to take that to the dirty laundry. Okay, so this is what my room looks like right now. I feel like the clothes and doing the bed helps a lot, but I still have this whole mess. I still have that just like whole tangled mess over there. I just have like random trash, hangers, shoes, and just like a bunch of like random stuff still that I don't know what to do with. rounds around my room and just put all the trash in here. Anything that I can recycle, I'm just gonna put in here. Problem with all the stuff on my desk is like some of it I just don't know where it goes. Like I literally don't have a spot for it. So some of the stuff that was just on my desk, it's clean now, but like it kind of transferred to over here. Okay guys, I'm literally almost done. I can't believe this. I just have to put like that stuff away. I have a few fans on the ground. I have to do this and then that, but that's not really too big of a mess, so I think I'll just tackle this right now. The last thing I have to do is throw this away and recycle this and then vacuum. And I'm done, guys. The lighting might not be as good because it's raining now, but guys, my room is clean. I'm very happy. It feels so much better. I don't feel like overwhelmed anymore, so I will show you the big reveal. Look at the floor. Oh my gosh, I can walk. Enjoyed. I hope this inspired you to clean your room, because if you're like me and a messy room makes you feel like you don't have your life together, you should go get your life together and clean it, because it feels so much better. It looks so much nicer. I can actually have people over now. I can actually see my floor. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe and follow my Instagram if you want. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye.